This is a homework help video for those of you who were absent for the day that we do the ancient Egypt characteristics chart. Now you should have a paper that looks like this. It's the civilization characteristics chart. You filled it out for Mesopotamia. If you don't have that, or you were gone for the ancient Egypt day, just go ahead and use this. It's a Google Doc attached to your assignment. And then I've also got the ancient Egypt reading that we did. You can go ahead and go 100% closer. But on this day, what we did is we read the ancient Egypt reading out loud, and we underlined all of this key information. And then afterwards, I had you guys go into groups and use your reading to put information into this chart. So I'm going to do a few examples for you. So if you were absent for this day, go ahead and use the reading packet to fill out the ancient Egypt information chart. So I'm going to do a few examples. So you're looking for examples for stable food supply. So as you read, you'll see that the Nile River was the lifeblood of ancient Egypt. The Egyptians called the soil deposit along the banks of the Nile the gift of the Nile, because it created rich, fertile soil. So you could put gift of the Nile, because we know that means there was fertile soil. The Nile permitted goods to be shipped because they used it for boating. So put trade or boats on the Nile. It's also evidence of technology, right? Because he had boats for trade. Okay. Government. Pharaoh was the absolute ruler, treated as a god. So for a system of government, you could put Pharaoh. Oops. Because he was treated as a god, you could also put Pharaoh here. Economic system. Pharaoh, priests, and nobles commanded Egypt's peasants and farmers and slaves. So it's evidence of a social structure. So Pharaoh, priests, what else did they say? Nobles, farmers, slaves. Those are examples of different jobs or levels in a social structure. Their economy was based on agriculture. They farmed wheat and crops such as flax. That's more stable food supply. Farmed wheat, flax. Okay, the next page. Technologies. They developed black ink, geometry, medicine. And then also highly developed culture. Isn't the Pharaoh mixed in their culture? A writing system here, more inventions, more on social structure, agricultural practices, religion, did several gods, which means what? Means they were, this is review, polytheistic. Did I spell it right? Yeah. Polytheism is believing in many gods. believed in life after death. But couldn't this also all fit under culture? It seems very ingrained in their culture. Okay, so I'm not doing all of it for you. Keep reading. Double check both pages. There's more information on there. That's what you're doing for this assignment. You're filling out evidence for each characteristic. In geographic characteristics, you know the Nile, the gift of the Nile again. Put more information. What about the Nile? You know, boats for trade, you could have that. So go through the reading, find as many things as you possibly can, not just the underlined stuff, there's more within the reading. So just add as many things as you can. And this chart, this completed chart is worth a lot of points at the end of this unit. So make sure you're thorough. Contact me or Mrs. Staffen if you need help. Good luck.